Welcome to another video. Today's video is about...
Hi guys, another video time and another Einstein video. Now, on my Einstein, which you've seen in previous videos, you'll notice that the clear plastic fascia above the function keys was clear. Now, on that there should be a strip of paper split into two halves, one for the function keys and one for the shift and the function keys. Now I'll put a picture of what it should look like up here if I can now, and I'm going to try and attempt that and recreate it on my current PC. Now you'll hear some clicking, and that's just me with the mouse on my real PC, because I'm going to up here use Microsoft Paint, I think. Now I know people say, oh, don't use Paint, it's rubbish, use GIMP, but it's quick and it's easy. And see, I don't even want to use Paint 3D, so let me type this in there. Let me try this. MS Paint. You can't beat a bit of MS Paint. Alright, so what we need over here, I've got my Einstein, so I'm going to measure, and it's going to be 16 centimeters by 1.5. And as you can see, I'll move it up here so you can see what's going on. There. 16 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. And then what I will do is I will fill this black. I will select it all. I will copy that, and then I will check and see. Print preview, way too big. That's fine. So I need to do file, page setup, and that needs to be adjust to 100% and centered. So it looks a bit weird in the center of the screen, but does it fit in portrait? It fits in portrait. Excellent. So I can now fill it in white. Change the colour back there, and now here what I need is a line down the centre. Oh, actually I can probably do a square box see, that's no good. Oh, look at that. That's more like it. So I will do a box. Like that. Fantastic. And now we need a line roughly in the centre. And I say roughly, and that's nowhere near the centre. What about that? No, again, that's not, so it needs to be about there. Oh, there we go, that's better. Brilliant. Okay, it'll do, it's in the centre. And then we've got 1 centimetre, yeah, from 1 to 2.5. As you can hear, I've got a very vocal pussycat. What's up, pussycat? Wandering around my legs while I'm doing this. So that should be 1. So if we now take that, copy and paste it, for the moment, I think we'll leave it like that. I will write on myself what the function keys are. Bottom row shift, top row is normal. File, page setup, and that's at the top. And what I'll do now is I'll go and plug my printer in, and then we'll see what happens.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after it's printed out, it looks like that, which I think is pretty cool. I'm going to have to print 4 or 5 of those, but I'll get my X-Acto knife, and I will cut out like that. So when I tried this morning, I got my finger in the way, and that was not pleasant. That's why I didn't film that, thankfully, because it was quite painful. And then this might have to go that way, like so. Right. Let's have a look at this. Okay, oh, just a tiny little bit to trim off there. That's not bad. Just like that. And then just like that. And then there is the Tatung Einstein Function Key map. Let's try it on the Einstein. Right, so over to the Einstein. This is where it goes. The flap drops down. That goes in there like that. And that goes on there like that. Now we can move it left and right a bit. There we go, so it sort of matches. Can you see that in there if we zoom in? Let me see if I can move the camera so you can see what's actually going on there. Okay, do I move the light over as well so you can see more? Oh, there we go, look at that. Oh, sorry, my angle poised light is a bit rubbish. There, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can now write on those what I want my function keys to be. Okay, superb. Well, very short video, very short and sweet, very easy to follow. What I will do is I will put a link on this video to the template on my website, and you should be able to download it and print them off yourself. You may want to jiggle it about a bit, make it a bit smaller, tweak it slightly, but that is the basis of the function key template for the Einstein. Just looking at this, I can probably move it over slightly as well, so I might have to make it a tad bigger. But there we go. Thanks for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up if it was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I release more content. Leave me a comment. Let me know whether or not you've used this yourself and printed it out, because I couldn't find the template anywhere available online or wherever. And as opposed to scanning one in and reprinting it, you know, I just don't have a scanner that does it. But hopefully it's been useful for you and you can use this in your future projects for your Einstein. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon for new video notifications. Bye bye, see you in the next video.
Shall we play a game?